Let's turn now to the latest on that dramatic revelation from Angelina Jolie. Brad Pitt speaking out for the first time as we learn more about Jolie's decision to have a double mastectomy, how she managed to keep it secret, and the next surgery she needs. ABC's Paula Ferris here with all the details. Good morning, Paula.
Good morning, George. And Jolie hinted that the mastectomies and reconstructive surgery were just the start, leaving the door and conversation open for her next challenge, which we now know.
This morning, exclusive new details from People magazine that Angelina Jolie's double mastectomy was just the beginning.
Sources tell People she will have surgery to remove her ovaries, and she will do it as soon as she possibly can.
Angelina's mother battled both breast and ovarian cancer, succumbing to the disease at the age of 56 after a 10-year battle. Her maternal grandmother also suffered from ovarian cancer. Jolie's doctor said she had a 54% chance of developing it. Her fiancé Brad Pitt telling USA Today it was really important to her to share her story and that others would understand it doesn't have to be a scary thing. He went on to call her decision heroic. Dr. Christy Funk of the Pink Lotus Breast Center oversaw Jolie's treatment.
We hope that the awareness she is raising around the world will save countless lives.
Throughout the months-long mastectomies and reconstructive process, Jolie appeared anything but scared.
This violence can be prevented, and it must be confronted.
We've learned it all began with her first surgery, February 2nd. But always a mom, here she's photographed taking the twins to the Natural History Museum with Brad, only 2 days before doctors remove breast tissue. Then in March, she travels to the Congo on a humanitarian trip. And here she was on April 11th in London at the G8 summit, championing women's rights and humanitarian issues, just 16 days before finishing her treatment.
She doesn't even have a publicist. So you tell your husband, you tell your doctor, you tell your manager, maybe your agent, and that's it. And those people keep the secret.
On the Pink Lotus Breast Center website, Dr. Funk detailed every decision she and Angelina made about her treatment, reflecting on the day she visited Angelina to confirm our biggest hope: all of the breast tissues was benign. I was pleased to find her not only in good spirits with bountiful energy, but with 2 walls in her house covered with freshly assembled storyboards for the next project she is directing.
Now, Brad Pitt and the kids reportedly trying to make the recovery fun for the entire family, setting up their own post-op recovery area. But the big question, when will the power couple ever get married? Of course, Brad Pitt just wrapped his latest film, so they should be out and about.
Let's find out.
I know.